Hi, I'm Lisa Sanson. I teach yoga at YYOGA. I teach all styles there. Today I'd like to do a little demo on tree pose, Vrksasana. So put your hands on your hips, and an important part of this pose is to try to keep your hips level. Try not to turn your hips off to one side or the other. And we're going to shift the weight into your left foot, pick up your right heel, and turn your right knee open. So we're opening up your right hip a little bit here. Stabilize through your left leg. So you notice when I say stabilize, like my hip can stick out to the side sometimes, and if I push down into the floor through my left foot, my left hip firms and pulls inwards. Now take your right foot inside of your left leg somewhere. Starting place can be to tap your toes down and your foot's near your ankle. Maybe you slide your foot up onto your shin. Maybe you can bring your foot above your knee and up into your inner thigh. So try not to rest your foot on your knee. It could just put a little extra pressure on your knee joint. Now, I really have to stabilize here. I root down. And what can help here with balance, let me bring my palms to my chest. Ooh, pull me into my center. And then a drishti point. So that's my focal point. I look at something in particular, something like I'm gonna look right down, there's a spot on the leg of the camera there. I'm looking down there, that's my drishti point. Ooh, I'm focusing. Now, grow out of your waist, lengthen the sides of your waist and reach your arms up and get more space. So we've got the strength and the groundedness down through your standing leg, some length and some space up through your torso. You can feel the energy if you breathe all the way up to your fingertips. Keep my drishti, my focus, and it becomes really meditative and really grounded. Let's bring your palms back down through center to help center yourself. Bring your right knee out in front and place your foot down. We're gonna switch sides. So hands to your hips and shift your weight over to your right foot. Root through your right foot, like feel your big toe mound root down. And then we'll turn your left knee open, turning your left hip externally, rotating it, and place your foot on your inner leg, above or below your knee somewhere. There we go. I'm gonna try to go for the upper thigh again. Let's see how that works. And sometimes it can help to press your foot and your thigh into each other. Kind of does that firming and lifting and grounding. Palms come to your heart. I'm gonna find my drishti point again, just down a little bit on that speck of tape. Yeah, and then breathe. And see, sometimes trees tip over, and that's okay. I'm gonna stand back up tall, reach up tall. Can't think about much else other than just tree pose when you're in it. That's what helps make it so meditative. Firm your standing leg, bring your left leg out in front, and place your foot down. You know, it's just finding a balance of the stability and the ease, and that can really help the pose become a little more alive, I guess. Thanks for tuning in. That was Vrksasana, tree pose, and I'm Lisa. I teach yoga for YYOGA.